Quaker Oats is expanding its recall because of a risk of salmonella in some of its products, and some of these products may be in your house. Quaker is now recalling variations of its popular Captain Crunch cereal, Gatorade protein bars in the peanut butter chocolate flavor, and Quaker granola bars in several flavors. A total of 8 deaths in the U.S. and Canada have been linked to these products. All of those being recalled have best before dates ranging from January 11th to October.
Tonight, an important recall to tell you about. Several brands of frozen strawberries, mixed fruits, and smoothie blends have been linked to an outbreak of hepatitis A, making at least 9 people sick. The recalled products were sold in dozens of states at Walmart, Costco, H-E-B stores under the brand names Great Value and Raider Farms. Customers are urged to check their freezers and either throw out the products or return them to the store for a refund.
Guys, it has been a nationwide food recall for some of the largest brands of food in the country. And I mean the largest. I mean Target, Walmart, Whole Foods, Tyson Foods, Quaker Oats. Guys, you name it, the list goes on. And they are recalling this food by the thousands of pounds, literally, because most of the food has been linked to listeria, salmonella, and high doses of lead. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain which brands to look out for and what to do going forward. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience to your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about the recall that's going on nationwide. But before we get into the video, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I want to dive straight in because I have a lot of material to go off of, and I don't want to miss everything, and I also don't want to make the video super lengthy. So let's dive straight in. Guys, what makes these recalls so scary is because it hasn't been recalled. All of these foods that I'm going to name and all of these brands are still in the stores and still on the shelf. So that means that you have a high possibility and a high potential. If you don't have it in your house or on your shelves now, it's a high possibility that you might have it in the future. And I want you guys to definitely be careful because, like I said, these recalls has been linked to lead, salmonella, and listeria. So guys, this is nothing to play with. Let's dive straight in. So the first brand that you want to look out for is called TGI Fridays, right, guys? TGI Fridays, the restaurant, but they also sell frozen foods. Now, I don't know which one is being recalled specifically. I don't know. I definitely know the frozen food one is being recalled, but I don't know if it's linked to the restaurant as well. But I know Simon's Foods, which is the food distributor that they get the food from, is recalling 26,000 pounds of chicken from TGI Fridays, and it is specifically the honey chicken bites. So if you see any of those in the frozen ice section, guys, please look out for it because the expiration date for that specific item is 12/26/24. So that is nearly a year from now. So it is, like I said, a high possibility that it can still be on the shelf and you need to look out for it. It has been linked to high traces of plastic. That is the reason why they are recalling this specific brand, because the plastic has been known to be under the layer of breading inside the chicken. It has been known to be undetectable. So having high doses of plastic is never good, especially for the kids. So guys, please be careful. That is TGI Fridays, the honey baked bites. Now, the second brand is is not necessarily brand, but it's a very familiar and regular item for a snack for kids. So it is applesauce, right? So now they have these new type of applesauces. It doesn't come in a cup all the time. They have these squeezables where you can squeeze the applesauce through a container built for kids, and it makes it very easy to clean up, easy to throw away, and that has been linked to lead. Actually, the lead has been 2,000 times the amount that's necessary for it. Well, no lead is necessary, but 2,000 times the amount that the FDA approved for lead to be inside of food. So guys, the applesauce, in the brands that sell this applesauce is Dollar General and Dollar Tree. So guys, please look out for that. Now, this one is definitely a shocker because this is one of my favorite snacks to this day, and that's Quaker Oats. Quaker Oats granola bars is having a massive recall, and they are recalling not just one specific flavor, they are recalling tons and tons of it. So guys, you will need to be careful because, like I said, you need to do a full spring cleaning for these brands, because if you give your kids these brands, it can be linked to a lot of different problems when it comes to developing and things like that. So guys, you need to be careful as a whole. And the granola bars has been linked to salmonella. So Quaker Oats, no good. Make sure that if you are try to buy the off brand, and make sure that, you know, there's no recall on those as well, guys. It's getting scary out here, you know, to say the least. I try to give you guys this information as much as possible, but the more I dive into and investigate this content, the worse I get, because it's really frightening. You know, these are everyday items that people use on a daily basis, and having to protect yourself when you're supposed to live in a country that's guarded by certain regulations is just overwhelming, guys. So I know that this is a lot, but, you know, bear with me and bear with the process, you know, but you have to do it, and you have to do what's best for your family going forward. So Sunrise Growers is another company that is doing a recall, and that company is specifically tailored to frozen fruits. So that is the frozen pineapples, frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, frozen whatever. And they sell their products in Walmart, Target, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and Aldi's, guys. And that is the frozen fruit. And this specific recall is linked to listeria. So guys, even the fruit which is supposed to be healthy and supposed to give you, you know, long life and longevity, you have to look out for that as well. And it's not just the rinky-dink brands like just Dollar Tree. Like, they are having recalls for Whole Foods and Trader Joe's and Target. Guys, be careful and make sure that you are looking on the FDA website consistently to see what is the recalls consistently, because you can't be too careful. You can't just put your trust in these government institutions and think that you're just going to be 100% safe, because guys, this is very serious, and if you don't do it yourself, it's not going to be done. And last but not least, guys, it is Tyson Foods. So Tyson Foods chicken has a massive recall. They're actually recalling 29,000 pounds of chicken, and the chicken has been linked to metal shavings. So high amounts of metal is in the chicken, and they are recalling the 29,000 pounds. Now, I do believe that the specific brand of Tyson Foods was the chicken patty. So if you are familiar with that specific product, guys, look out for that as well. So guys, I'm going to put the link in the description of all of the brands that's having issues and all of the brands that's under these recalls, so you can look out for it, guys. But you have to do your own due diligence going forward. It's not just going to be these brands. It might be others out there that you need to take care of, and this is just a seed for you to actually nurture for your own family, because I can't give you guys every ounce of information because I might miss one, and that where you will have to come in and do what's best for your family with your own due diligence. Guys, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Until next time, Credit Coach Q out. Bye.